In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a resume on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. There can be a number of reasons why you might want to delete your resume from Indeed. Maybe you've landed a new job and no longer need to be on the market. Or perhaps you're just looking to freshen things up and upload a completely new version. Whatever the reason may be, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can do this with confidence. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to the Indeed website. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Enter your credentials and hit the Sign In button. It's that simple. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or maybe your name. Click on that to drop down a menu. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to Resume. This will take you directly to your resume management page where you can see any resumes you've uploaded. Now, once you're on your resume page, look for the resume you want to delete. You might have multiple resumes saved, so make sure you identify the right one. Once you find it, hover over the resume. You should see options appear next to it. Look for a link or button that says Delete or something similar. When you click on that, you might see a pop-up message asking if you're really sure you want to delete this resume. It's important to read this message carefully, as it'll remind you that deleting a resume is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're certain this is what you want to do, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Click Yes or Confirm, and just like that, your resume is gone. If you're doing this from a mobile device, the process is very similar. Just open the Indeed app, log in with your account, and navigate to the Resume section from your profile. Tap the resume you want to get rid of, and look for the Delete option. Tap it, confirm your choice, and you're all set. But wait. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that deleting your resume doesn't mean that your job search has to come to a halt. If you've decided to take your resume down for a little while, consider updating your profile to reflect your current job status. This way, recruiters will still be able to see your interest in new opportunities, just without the resume attached. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've learned how to delete your resume on Indeed. If any issues arise during the process, or if you have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on navigating job platforms and enhancing your career search. Happy job hunting, and until next time, take care.